Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, this one we have for x to the power of 3. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0 in here. So this one we change by u. For x to the power of 3, the x we change by the u. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now I will put 3 over 2 on here. So we have u to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one we have 5 over 2. This one we have 5 over 2. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.